it's Ava, and this is my Gigi.
Hey y'all, this is Meso, and I have a helper today in the kitchen. This is Ava, as she said. Let's see your nicknames. We call her Ava, call her Ape, call her Princess A. We call her Adorable A. What else we call you?
Ava A.
Ava A. As long as there's an A floating around that name, it's all good. So this is Meso, and I'm in the kitchen today, and I have Ava in here with me. And this is my favorite partner to be in the kitchen with me. But guess what? Today, we're going to be doing something. Me and Ava, we have a secret. And we're going to be doing something today in the kitchen that is really, really good, really simple, really quick, and really delicious. I wouldn't have it any other way, would you?
No.
Nuh-uh. So we are going to get right on it, y'all. Let's get to it.
Yay!
Yay! Hey y'all, look at this. I want you to focus your minds, honey, because we're getting ready to do a serious recipe about a Christmas cookie. So right here, I've already gotten started. I've got some butter that I've just cut up into small pieces, and I'm getting it down in my mixing bowl. Now you don't have to really worry. I want you to enjoy this video because you don't have to worry. I have a printable recipe that you can go back into the description box and click on that link. And the best thing about it, it is free. It's printable and it's free. So you'll know all the ingredients and how much and whatnot. So don't worry about that. Let's just get into this video. Okay, so here I put in butter and sugar. And this part here, I'm going to come back and get my coloring. This cookie is going to be red. As you saw from the beginning, I'm going to come back with my eggs, and I'm going to put food coloring in the eggs. This is the food coloring I'm using. It's really potent. And I'll put it in the eggs so that it will completely and easily color this, all of my dough and everything will be perfectly colored. Now, if you try to put it in the dough without putting it in some liquid first, you're going to have streaks in your dough. It's going to have some little white places and little brown places. But we want this red, honey, because this is for Christmas. We want this Santa Claus red. So I mixed the food coloring in with my egg and then put it inside. And as you can see, it is covering all of this very well. I just put in some food coloring, and today I am using good old Watkins food coloring. Now that's the Cadillac of flavorings, and so I'm using that today. I've already put some flour in the bowl. I've started making my dough, and here I'm putting the next part of the flour. But I want you to see how if you put some flour first and mix it, and put the rest of it, you'll see that it will more evenly color. It's red. It's very important. We want this to be really red. Now this cookie is really a deluxe. It's a Big Mac cookie. It is so decadent and so delicious. You'll see that this is not just a cookie. It gives you sort of a red velvet kind of feel, kind of taste. Really, really good. So let's go ahead and continue to get into this cookie, because I want you all to be able to make this for Christmas. Make it for your family. My kids are crazy about it. My grandkids, I should say. And they are so excited that they're getting a little treat right here before the holidays, because they know I'll be making this again within the holidays. So you see that my dough is rather stiff. It's not hard or anything, but it's stiff. And I'm still going to just beat it a little bit more. As I said, you have the sugar and egg mixture. It's fine to beat that as long as you want to, 3, 4, 5 minutes, however long you would like. But when you once you have introduced that flour, you don't want to go more than 3 minutes. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and make it happen, Captain. Let me get this paddle out of here and take a good look at the dough so you'll see how yours is supposed to be. So here I just got in some walnuts into the batter, and I'm putting in chocolate. These are not the little mini morsels. This is from a block of chocolate that I've cut up. I feel they make this cookie better. Now, I could make this easier by putting on some gloves and actually bringing all this together with my hands. It would be a lot easier. I don't know why I'm using this spoon, because it's a lot harder, but okay, it is what it is. So I'm getting these ready to go into the oven. I've got this cookie sheet here, and I'm going to really space these guys far apart, because these cookies are going to get big and wide, and I want them to be that way. I'm using a 4-inch scoop, and this is my second pan, which I'm going to get 6 cookies on this pan. And so this is the way I want it. I'm going to get them all out of here, and I'm going to get them into the oven. So this is 4, I'm going to get 6 on here, and there they go. Sail away. I have a preheated 325-degree oven here that I am putting them into, and I'm going to let them stay in my oven between 13 and 15 minutes. Now, every oven is different. I want you to really watch yours because they will get dark on the bottom. Really watch them and get them out when your oven says so. Okay, so I've got mine out, and mine did cook for 14 minutes. And I've got them out, and I'm taking them now from the cookie sheet, and I am going to put them on these 2 cooling racks. Boy, if you could smell what I'm smelling, you would be impressed. These are not cookies, you say? These are masterpieces. I wanted you to get a good look at just how full of nuts and chocolate these cookies are. And I want to show you how they should look. You got to really police your oven because every oven is different. But you see how mine are. They're not dark. They're not burned. They're beautiful all the way around. Yeah, this is really the finale, honey. This is what makes them real Christmas cookies. This is pistachio ice cream. If you'd like, you can wrap them up. If you're not going to eat them right now, you can wrap them up and then freeze them until you're ready to serve them. But this is what really takes it over the top. And of course, when Nicholas heard the timer go off, he came a running to the rescue, honey. Not really rescue, because he wanted to destroy these cookies and pistachio ice cream. I love putting a smile on my family's face, though, so it's all worth it. Gonna do it again on Christmas Eve. Okay, guys, I appreciate you coming by to check on me. You wanted to know what I was doing, honey, and you knew I'd be throwing down. I hope that I did not disappoint. I want you guys to subscribe to me by hitting that red subscribe button, and then when you see the notification bell, hit it until parentheses come around the bell. That way you will be notified every time I put up a new video. Like, share, and comment on my videos. I read each and every comment. I can't answer everyone, but I read everyone. You know, there's so many thousands of really good cooks on YouTube. You have a choice of looking at so many people. But every time you watch and support me, I consider myself honored, and I know that I am blessed. One way that I bless you guys is by coming on here and sharing these wonderful, awesome, old-fashioned recipes. I will share my love with you by sharing food. I want you all to take care of yourself, love yourself, practice self-help, and taking care of yourself. That way you'll be better able to take care of the ones in your life. Somebody asked me, how's the easy way to share your love and show people you love them? I said, heck, share your food. Share your love by sharing your food, honey. That's what you ought to do. Guys, I appreciate you so much. There are so many people you could watch, but you chose to watch me. Thank you, and I'll be back soon, and I'll see you in the next video.